Hi, Joris van Almenkerk from Almenkerk Wine Estates. I've been asked to tell you what it takes to make a 5-star John Platter wine, which is the highest rating you can get for John Platter. And as with anything, it's a fairly complex answer. It obviously starts with the vineyard, and I think the site we have is quite unique. It's in a dip of the valley where the cold air gets trapped. And in winter, that assures us of the frosts that we need for the Chardonnay to be fertile and bud again the next season. But it's also vine age. The block is now 20 years old, and the older a vine gets, the yield possibly goes down, but the depth of flavor and the intricacy of the grapes, it becomes a lot more soulful. And that's definitely something we've seen with our wines. And then there's a team, of course. We have a fantastic team, 7 dedicated vineyard workers that do the rounds on the vineyards throughout the seasons. We have Michael, our viticulturist, who's been tending the vines for more than a decade now. And then in the cellar, there's also a bit of fine-tuning that happens. We've spent 14 vintages getting the winemaking methods exactly right, trying out different barrels, different coopers, different winemaking methods. And then after a lot of fine-tuning and a lot of dedication and a whole lot of passion, you end up making a wine that gets recognized by your peers. And for us, it's a great achievement. We've been trying to get to this level for a long time, and it's really rewarding to finally get that 5-star John Platter rating.